Hello, I'm Greg.
Hi, I'm Julie.
And this is our old Varacan. Old caravan. It's going today, hopefully. Can't see it. An Abbey Warwick, 1997. It's been all over France and Belgium, all over England, Scotland and Wales. It's done some miles, but it's going today. Can't see much of it in storage, but it is sold, or supposed to be. So we'll be sad to see it go, but as new one is getting delivered in March, and hopefully if you subscribe or join us on his travels, you'll be able to see it and go through the adventures with her, and the process. And thank you very much, and see you later.